Welcome to Hapoi TV. In today's video, I'll show you how to completely set up OBS Studio for streaming in 2026. We'll cover the best settings for YouTube, Facebook, Kick, and TikTok. I'll also show you optimized settings for NVIDIA RTX 5070 graphics cards. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional quality streaming setup with excellent video quality and smooth performance. Let's get started. The first step is downloading OBS Studio. Open your web browser and visit obsproject.com. Download the latest stable version for your operating system. Complete the installation and launch OBS Studio. If you see the Auto Configuration wizard, you can skip it for now because we'll manually configure all settings for maximum quality.
Let's begin with the video settings. Click Settings in the bottom right corner of OBS. Open the Video tab. For base canvas resolution, select your monitor's native resolution. If you're gaming at 1440p, use 2560 by 1440. For output resolution, I recommend 1920 by 1080. This provides excellent image quality while keeping bandwidth requirements reasonable. Set common FPS values to 60. 60 frames per second creates a smooth viewing experience and is ideal for gaming streams. Now let's configure the most important section. Open the Output tab. Change output mode from Simple to Advanced. Under Streaming, locate the Encoder option. If you're using an RTX 5070, select NVIDIA NVENC AV1. If your platform does not support AV1, select NVIDIA NVENC H264. For rate control, choose CBR. This stands for constant bitrate and is recommended by all major streaming platforms. For YouTube, use a bitrate between 12,000 and 18,000. For Facebook, use 6,000 to 8,000. For Kick, use 8,000 to 10,000. For TikTok Live, use 4,000 to 6,000. Set keyframe interval to 2. Select P6 quality as your preset. Enable psychovisual tuning. Disable look ahead. Set max B-frames to 2. These settings provide excellent visual quality while keeping system usage under control. Next, let's configure audio settings. Open the Audio tab. Set sample rate to 48 kHz. Keep channels set to stereo. For your microphone, I recommend adding noise suppression. This helps remove unwanted background sounds. Add a compressor to balance your voice volume. Finally, add a limiter to prevent clipping and distortion. Clear audio is one of the most important factors in creating a professional stream. Now let's connect OBS to your streaming platform. Open the Stream tab. Choose YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, or your preferred platform. For Kick streaming, you may need to enter your stream server and stream key manually. Never share your stream key with anyone. Anyone with access to your stream key can broadcast on your channel. If you also want to record videos, open the Recording section under Output Settings. Set Recording Format to MKV. This format protects your recordings if OBS crashes unexpectedly. Choose NVIDIA NVENC AV1 as the recording encoder. Set Rate Control to CQP. For CQ level, I recommend 18. This provides excellent quality without creating unnecessarily large files. For tutorials, choose P7 Max Quality. If you're recording and gaming at the same time, choose P6 Quality for better performance. Before going live, let's check OBS performance. At the top of OBS, click View and then Stats. Pay attention to dropped frames, CPU usage, and rendering lag. Dropped frames should remain close to 0%. CPU usage should stay low.
Rendering lag should ideally remain at 0. If you experience issues, try reducing bitrate, lowering resolution, or closing unnecessary background applications.
Let's quickly summarize the recommended settings. Resolution, 1080p. Frame rate, 60 FPS. Encoder, NVIDIA NVENC AV1. Rate control, CBR. Bitrate, 12,000 to 18,000 for YouTube. Preset, P6 quality. Psycho-visual tuning, enabled. Look ahead, disabled. Max B-frames, 2. Audio sample rate, 48 kHz. Recording format, MKV. These settings will give you a professional quality stream in 2026.
And that's it. Your OBS Studio setup is now fully optimized for streaming and recording. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Hapoi TV. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future streaming and content creation tutorials. Leave a comment below and tell me what graphics card you're currently using. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.